we're here at All County Art. Every high school has selected 10 students to come to All County Art, and they are selected as some of the most talented students at their school. Today, we have 4 breakout sessions. One is a still life painting session. We also have a class with zigzag bookmaking. Then we have a session of metalwork. They're also screen printing their own t-shirts in that session. And then the final session is a silk batik session where each high school is doing a collaborative piece that they're going to take back to their own school. And by the end of the day, they'll be sharing Instagram and Facebook or whatever, phone numbers, and getting to know each other.
Whenever you think of other schools, you see competition, you see, oh, that's like your sworn enemy, that's your rival school, but in art, it's not like that. We really come together, it's really diverse. We like to put our ideas together, and we just accept one another. We accept every school and have a good time and learn from each other.
This is in addition to the great work that they do in the classroom, something new and unique, but they get to share their talents, and that it's not a competition. It's just to work together and just to learn more about art, and we're just so thankful that we can provide this great opportunity for some very talented high school art students.